Hello guys, and welcome back to A Simple Travel. In today's video we are here at the home that we stayed in Davenport, Florida for our vacation. So let's get right down to it, guys. Right at the entry, as you guys can see, it's kind of an open concept. You got your couch right here, you have your lamp, you have a couple of decor, your TV, there's your dining room right next to the living room. And we did notice right off the bat there was a couple stains on the carpet, guys. So the carpet's a little bit old, it looks like. We're looking everywhere just to see if we can see anything out of the ordinary as far as cleanliness. But moving to this hallway here, place where you can store some things. We're going into the kitchen, a very big, massive kitchen right from the get-go. You guys can see you got your appliances. They got you hooked up with everything that you need here in this house. They got a wine cooler. You have a breakfast nook. Plenty of seats here. You got 8 seats here for the breakfast nook. Right to the front of that, there's the pool, and we'll see the pool a little bit later on, guys. But you got your family room right here. Plenty of seats. Look at that couch, guys. It is a very comfortable couch. A very comfortable couch. Now, in this kind of like media entertainment center, whatever, they got you all kinds of things. They got a DVD player. You got your cable box there. They got surround sound, so you guys can go ahead and watch some movies there. There's the island. I mean, what's that? 6 seats right there. Very sturdy seats too. So very spacious kitchen. Moving to this hallway here, we bump into the first bathroom of the house. One of many. One of many. Right across from the bathroom is a storage closet. We're not allowed to go in there, but we are allowed to go into the garage. And we cannot use the garage for parking, but they have it set up as a game room area. So they got their controls there for the TV and radio and whatnot, and a couple of games you guys can play there. So that's pretty cool. So let's see if we can start to head upstairs here, guys. So we're gonna go upstairs. And right off the bat, guys, we start to notice that the walls are a little bit dirty. So we're noticing things as we're moving along. We're also wiping, we're also cleaning, and we're going to be showing you that in a little bit as well. I'm just trying to show you guys kind of the layout of the place. So moving to the left there, once we get up there, we open up this little closet area, and you got your fire extinguisher and a couple of extra towels. And they have a couple little bit of furniture over here. It seems like a little desk where you guys can do a little bit of work. I did do a little bit of work here, but the internet up here in this part of the house, guys, was not very good. So the Wi-Fi was okay downstairs, but upstairs it was not. But here we go into one of the kids' room. As you guys can see, they have a bunk bed there, and they have a separate bed right here. So you got 3 beds right here in a closet, and they have a bathroom right there. It's 1 sink. You got your shower. Now, interesting about this is that this bathroom is linked to 2 rooms, so they share the same bathroom. And as you can see over there in the other room, it's 2 twin beds right there, and a little bit of a TV. They also have a closet. The other room also had a closet as well, similar size. So you got your everything that you need there as far as storage space to put away your clothes for your trip. And I did like that every single switch was labeled, so you don't have to be guessing what is what. So again, guys, I just want to point out that coming up the stairs, I just turned to the left, and that's where we are right now. So I just kind of want to like let you guys understand the layout of where we are right now upstairs. So those are the 2 rooms that we just saw. The bathroom was right there in the middle. So I mean, basically there's the stairs right there. Now I'm going to go right into this room here, which is the first master bedroom that we can see here. It's a king size bed. A little bit of a TV, guys. I was a little bit disappointed there on the size of that TV there, but you got plenty of space there. You got your shower, you got your tub, and you have 2 sinks in this bathroom, guys. It's the only one that has 2 sinks. You got your toilet there and a little bit of a storage space there in the bathroom. And then also in that room, there's a little bit of a walk-in closet with a rollerway crib. So they have that there. I mean, it's an option for you guys to use that if you need to. And I want to show you guys now the perspective from the other side. But first things first here, this is a washer and dryer. Now if you guys stay here, you will notice that these doors are not really appropriate for this washer and dryer. But you know, it's still functional and you can still wash and dry your clothes there, so it's perfectly fine. Moving ahead there, you can control the temperature. And going into one of these rooms here is one of the more smaller rooms here. Looks like it's a full-size bed. You get a little bit of a TV there. Of course, it has its own closet as well, and does have its own bathroom as well. It's a one sink bathroom. And you got your shower right there. So, not a bad room there. Every room has its own little trash can as well, so that's pretty cool. Going into this next room over here, guys, is another master bedroom. King size bed, a lot of natural lighting. This room was the coolest room out of all the rooms as far as temperature goes. It just felt cooler in there. You got your shower top combination there. Let me see. You got your one sink there, your toilet. Okay, so every room has closet space. And we're going into the last and final room here, guys. It's another master bedroom. King size bed. You got your drawers there. You have your closet space. You got your TV. And you got your bathroom in here as well. One sink. And there you go. You got your shower. A lot of natural lighting in this room as well. Alright, before we go to the pool, guys, Brenda's going to talk a little bit about what she sees in the house.
Right, so I really like the space. I think that it surprised me a little bit compared to the pictures.
Right.
Yeah, it's not really the cleanest, which we have noticed has been pretty frequent from the past trips everywhere. Like the carpet does have a lot of stains, which I guess could be kind of hard, but you could tell that they did a vacuum. Like
right.
You could see the lines.
Yeah, you can see the streaks there, guys.
Also, you know, I've been cleaning all the doorknobs and some of the drawers, and you can see that the towels are a little bit dirty.
Let me put them down right there so I can show it to them.
You know, like, you can kind of tell a little bit, you know.
You can see the dirt right there, guys. I don't know if you can see it. Maybe by... I don't know. Can you guys see that? Hopefully you guys can see it. It is, you can tell it's dirty. Let's see. I can open the door here for you guys. Ooh. Let's see what's straight ahead here, guys. Ooh, a little. This is where you come and use the bathroom for the outside.
Oh, wow, that's nice.
So you don't have to go inside to get the floor wet or anything like that. Here's the pool. I mean, we don't like obviously seeing the neighbors, but this neighbor did a good job with the trees.
And look on the side. When you're in the pool, you won't be able to see.
Yeah, when you're inside the pool, you won't be able to see. This is very nice. Look at that privacy. Very cool, guys. You could lie down right there, catch the sun.
Which most places charge.
Yeah. Upon entering back into the house, we noticed that they do supply you with some towels there for the pool area. Now, if you are planning on staying in this house, there's a few things that I want to say about it. I would say that it is about 30 minutes away from the parks, if you're going to go to the theme parks. And it's also about 30 minutes away from good food. So if you're going to go pick up some food, you're going to have to drive about 20-30 minutes to get some food. Whatever you can get delivered here is not the greatest of options. So I just want to get that out of the way. I also want to say that if internet is very important to you and you want to use Wi-Fi, the Wi-Fi on the main floor works fantastic. But on the upstairs, it really doesn't. So I would say and recommend to you guys that if Wi-Fi is important to you, you will have to be okay with just being on the main floor. So with that being said, I highly recommend this house. It's filled with plenty of space, a lot of rooms. It was very accommodating, and I felt very comfortable in this house. It was one of the better houses I think that we've stayed. And I just love the layout of it. It's just really cool house. It was a little bit dirty, but not as dirty as other houses can be, and we've seen them before. But with saying all of that, I would say I do highly recommend you guys booking this house if you are planning on coming to the Florida area for a family vacation. I will have all the information on the description below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for the support. I truly appreciate it. Subscribe if you haven't. Click on the bell icon and give this video a like. That'll let me know that you guys are interested in these type of videos. Thank you very much, and I'll catch you guys next on another Simple Travel.